See the question. See, every question will be discussed in a detailed way, no issues at all. Okay. In a certain code language, teacher is coded as UFBDIFS. Then how parent is coded in that code language? This is what is given. Okay, first question. Now please note, what all the questions I am discussing, I mean it. What all the questions I am discussing, all these questions are picked up from SI previous year papers. Okay, it could be either APPSC or Telangana SI, not only SI, with respect to any state government exam. Okay, for example, take jailer. Okay, in this way we have picked up those questions, and some questions we have added, okay, as per the syllabus. Clear? So I want to tell you that every question matters a lot, right? So teacher. So first of all, what do? Take this teacher. TEACHER. How it is quoted? Now see here. UFBD. Okay. UFBDIFS. Okay. See, when you look at that, it becomes so easy, right? So easy. See, this was asked in 2016, I believe, SI. Okay. So see here, TU. So we can directly say, see, instead of coding it, instead of putting the number, you can directly say. So that's the reason I'm just putting it like this. See, EF, that means +1, AB +1, C +1, H +1, E +1, R +1. Very simple one. So +1, +1, +1, +1. Apply the same logic. Now take that parent. Okay, PARENT, parent. So what the coding we have done? +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. Apply the same logic now. So P +1, A +1 in that way. Okay. So P +1, Q, A +1, B. Now one more thing that you have to understand. See, of course we can solve the question very easy, but the point I want to tell you is that, see, always you try to look at the options and choose the answer immediately based on some logic. What is that logic? We know that P +1 Q, A +1 B, right? Okay, of course we can do it very simple. But first of all, you see whether options can be eliminated based on that to get the answer. Now see here, RB ruled out, QR ruled out, QS ruled out. So directly we can say answer is first option. Answer is first option, because time matters most. See, any competitive examination, you have to try to solve the questions in the given time frame. So that's the reason, please note, whenever you come across a simple question wherein you can solve the question based on the options, you immediately solve it. That's a very important point to be noted. And as I've told you, this is not the question what I prepared. This is a question which has been picked up from SI paper. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you. You have to follow this logic. You know, we'll do this. See, R +1 S, E +1 F, N +1 O, T +1 U. Okay, so QB SF OU. Okay, QB SF OU. First question. Clear? Let us come to question number 2. See, in a certain code language, arise is coded as CUMXK. Then how world is coded in that language? Clear? So first of all, let us put it here. See, arise. So ARISE, arise. See that? CUMXK. CUMXK. Right, what they have done, that we have to find out. So if you are unable to get the logic just by looking like this, simple, you convert the letters into numbers. Okay, now see, 1, 18, I stands for 9, this is 19, this is 5. In the same way, you find out the numbers of this. Okay, so this is 3, 21, 13, 24, 11. Now first of all, you always look at in a forward direction, forward coding. 1, 3, that means +2, 1 + 2, 3, right, +2. 18, 21, +3. So there is some logic, right, +2, +3. Now think logically, +2, +3, next, +2, +3, +4. Now see here, 9 + 4, yeah, logic matching. So +2, +3, +4, ascending order. 19 + 5, 24, 5 plus 6, 11. So they've taken plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Okay. So please note plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Applying the same logic with the word, W O R L D, world. Okay. So you have to take like this, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Okay. So you can directly do like this, or else you can also put like this, 23, 15, 18, 12, 4. Okay. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 is Y. Okay. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is R. Now you try to verify whether we are doing in a right way or wrong. You have to always look at the options, please note, very important, because sometimes our logic may not be matching with the examiner's logic. So there's a reason you have to see. Now see, Y, no problem, we are going in the right way. Now see, next letter is R. So in this way, please note, this is eliminated, this is eliminated, 2 options are eliminated. Now directly what you can do, of course you can solve the question, that's no issue at all. I am going to solve the question, but I told you have to do smart work. What is smart work? See, YRPJF. Now see here, YRV. Third letter is given as P, third is given as V. So if you are able to just find out one letter more, you are going to get the answer. Am I clear? So you need not really work it out. So this is what you have to do in the exam hall. Clear? Now see here, 18 plus 4, 22. 22 is what? 22 is V. In that way, please note, this is the answer. This is wrong. Okay, that is the answer. Anyhow, let us work it out. 12 plus 5, 17. Okay, 17 is Q. Okay, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 is J. So YRVQJ. Answer is YRVQJ. Am I clear? Right. Yes. Question 3. In a certain code language, rectangle is coded as IVXGZMTOV. Okay, rectangle is coded as IVXGZMTOV. Now, how sphere is coded? How sphere is coded in that language? You know, let us put it here. So rectangle, yeah, rectangle. See, R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. Clear? Take this I V X, okay, G Z M T O V. No sooner you look at that, you have to get the idea. Already we have discussed this. What is this? Sphere. 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 Right. Now tell me, when you look at this, what is that you come across? AZ coding. AZ means opposite letters. So please note, they have taken opposite letters. Here, Indian Railways, EVV Satyanarayana, Christmas Xmas, Grand Test or GST. Okay, Azad, Narendra Modi, GST, Love. Okay, EV. Understood? So in this, what they have done, they have taken opposite letters. Very simple. Okay, so apply the same logic now. So S means Hyderabad, Secretarial. So H, then Pawan Kalyan or Kukatpalli, okay, or Kevin Peterson. So K, HK. Now I told you, verify with the options. See, HK is there. So we are going in a right way. After HK has to come. So in this way, please note, this is ruled out. Okay. Now H, yes. So this is ruled out. Okay. Then E means V. Okay. Then R means I, J, this is ruled out. Answer is this. Okay, again E means V. So answer is HKS VIV. Okay, HKS VIV. Clear? Right. Yes. Now, in a certain code language, hockey is coded as GNBJDX. Then which word is represented by the code? Now please understand the code. Question. Then which word is represented by the code BQHBJDS in that language? So generally what they do, they give you a word, a meaningful word, they give you a code to find out. Again they give you another word to find out the coding. But here code word is given and they wanted you to find out the meaningful word. Right, we'll discuss. Now see, H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey, okay, see here, G-N-B-J-D-X, very simple, right? Now see here, H-G-O-N-C-B-K-J-E-D-Y-X, so -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, simple, they have taken -1, -1. Now please note, you see, first of all understand the logic. We are going from meaningful word to the coding word, okay? I am proceeding this way. So when you are proceeding like this, we say -1, okay? But here, please note, they gave you the coded word. Now you have to find out the English word. A simple logic. When you are proceeding like this, you say -1, but in case you want to go to like this, what do you have to say? +1, okay? So when you are coming from meaningful word to the coded word, we have taken -1. So when you're going up, take it as +1. So you have to go for +1, clear? So what is that they gave you? B, Q, H, B, J, D, yes. Now, see, maybe thinking that why so simple question was given here. That's what I'm telling you. This is not my preparation. This is not my question. All these questions are picked up from essay papers only to tell you that questions are going to be asked like that, okay? So some questions will be so easy, some questions will be tricky. Am I clear? Right. So when you go up, okay, see B +1, see here we say -1. When you go like to the top, because G +1, right? So B +1 C, okay, Q +1 R. Now let us verify the options, okay? Batsman, kabaddi, cricket, okay, CR, probably this could be the answer, okay, right. H +1 I, see it's matching. B +1 C, J +1 K, D +1 E, S +1 T, cricket, answer is cricket, okay, answer is cricket. Yeah, fifth question. In a certain code language, SF is coded as FUJQ. Then how BIFU is coded in that language? See, what are the word they give you? We are no way bothered about it. We have to just find out the logic, what they have done, right? A, Z, E, V is coded as FUJQ. FUJQ. Okay, let us find out how it has been done. So first of all, what are you supposed to do? You find out the number of that given set of letters. Okay, so this is 1, 26, 5, 22. Clear? Now see this, 6, 21, 10, 17. Right, now see this, 1 plus 5, 6. So plus 5. Okay, next, 26, 21, minus 5. So plus 5, minus 5. So there is some logic, right? Plus 5 minus 5. So next what could be? Plus 5 minus 5? Yes, plus 5. See here? Plus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5. In that way, please note 1 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5. Okay, so they have taken plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5. Apply the same logic now. See the word BIFU. B-Y-F-U. BIFU. Okay. So 2, 25, 6, 21. Started with plus 5. So you also have to start with plus 5 only. So plus 5, minus 5, plus 5, minus 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 is G. 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5, 20. 20 is T. 6 plus 5, 11. Kings 11. Okay, 11. Kings 11 Punjab. Okay. 21 minus 5, 21 minus 5, 16, 16 means P, because I have told you P, like this, okay, water image, okay. So 21 minus 5, 16, so 16 is what? P. So GTKP, okay, GTKP, see here, GTKP, so answer is second option, okay, answer is second option, yes. Question 6. In a certain code language, diamond is coded as AFXJLKA. then which word is represented by the code JLKHBV. Now even here, they are giving you the coded word and they want you to find out the meaningful word, right? Okay, let us take this diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. By the way, I want to tell you one more thing here. See, the exact spelling is D-I-A-M-O-N-D, but sometimes what they do, they give a wrong spelling there. So don't get confused. What the examiner has given, that you have to take it, apply the same logic. Am I clear? So let us not worry about what is given there. Whether the spelling is right or wrong, it's not matter to us, okay? It doesn't matter to us. We have to just go by the question. So diamond, that's called as AF. Let us put here AFX, okay? Next, JLKA, okay? Now, first of all, observe the question. D started with D, ended with D. DA. So there is some logic. DA means D is 4, A is equal to 1, minus 3, here, 9, I is equal to 9, F is equal to 6, minus 3. So logic is there, okay. So please note minus 3, see 9, this is 9, this is 6, so minus 3, okay. This, what I told you, whenever you take the letters in the form of a circle, okay, minus 3 means from A minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, already we discussed, right? So minus 1, Z, minus 2, Y, minus 3 means X, minus 3, okay, minus 3, see the same thing is given, okay. So minus 3 here, minus 3, see this is 13, this is 10, so minus 3, this is 15, this is 12, minus 3, this is 14, this is 11, minus 3. So again this is minus 3. So very simple, they have taken minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So when you go from meaningful word, that is diamond, to the coded word, they have taken as minus 3. That means when you go from meaningful word to the coded word, they have taken as minus 3. Now tell me, if coded word is given, in case I want to find out meaningful word, I have to go this way, right? In the reverse direction. When you are coming down, you have taken as minus 3. So when you are going up, plus 3. So take it as plus 3. Okay, plus 3, because they are giving you coded word. See now, J, L, K, H, B, V. Okay, J, L, K, H, B, V. Plus 3. So J is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, 13. 30 means plus 3. See, plus 3, right? Plus 3 means what? M. Clear? Now, L. L is 12. 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, 15 is O. M, O. See? M, O. M, O. M, O. So, we are going the right way. Okay. Now, see, K. K is 11. 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3 is 14. Okay, 14 is N. So, M, O, N. So, this is wrong. Okay, next. This is 8. 8 plus 3, 11, K. Okay, so this is ruled out. So answer could be either first option or fourth option. Right, B. B is 2. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is E. Okay, this is 22 plus 3, 25. 25, that is Y. So answer is monkey. Okay, answer is monkey. So sometimes they may give you a meaningful word and they tell you to find out the coded word, or else they give you a coded word and they tell you to find out the meaningful word. Okay, whichever it may be. Okay, so answer is monkey. Answer is fourth option. Clear? Right. Now, in a certain code language, paper is coded as QCSIW. Then how is example coded in that language? Okay, let us find out. Paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. It is given as QCSIW. QCSIW. Okay, let us find out. Next, you have to find out for example. Okay, example. Right. Now see, 16, 1, 16, 5, 18. 16, 1, 16, 5, 18. Now see this. 17, 3, 19, 9, 23. Right, let us see here. 16 plus 1, 17, plus 1. 1 plus 2, so plus 1 plus 2. See here, 16 plus 3, so plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. See here, 5, 9 plus 4, because 5 plus 4, 9. So, they have taken plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. See, 18 plus 5, 23, it's matching, right? So, in this way, please note, 16 plus 1, 17, okay, plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, okay, 16 plus 3, 19, plus 4, plus 5. Apply the same logic now. So, even here you have take like this, okay, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Now, here only 5 letters are given. They have taken a 5-letter word, but here they have taken a 7-letter word. See, whether it is a 5-letter word or a 7-letter word, the logic, same logic, right? Because they have gone in ascending order, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Apply the same logic, okay? So, in that way, you have to do like this. Now, this is 5. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means 6. What is 6? F. This is 24. 24 plus 2, that is 26, that is Z. So, it has to be with FZ. See here, FZ, FZ, FZ. So, we are going in a right way, right. Now, A, this is 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 means D, okay, D, FZQ ruled out, okay, this is ruled out, okay, answer should be either first option or third option, right. Now, this is 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 is Q. Now, see, this is U is given. Here Q is given, so this is the answer, this is wrong, right. Now, this is 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 is U, okay. This is 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 is R. This is 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 is L, okay. F, Z, D, Q, U, R, L. So, answer is third option, okay. Answer is third option. Yes, question 8. In a certain code language, silver is coded as MJTSFW and form is coded as PGNF. So, they have given you two words. Then how covalent is coded in that language, right? So, put it here, silver, S-I-L-V-E-R. Silver is coded as MJTSFW. Okay, next word, see here, F-O-R-M, form, that is given as P-G-N-S. So, what they have done? Okay, what they have done? Okay, convert the letters in numbers, 19, 9, 12, 22, 5, 18, right? Now, see this, 13, 10, 20, 19, 6, 23. So, what they have done? Now, look at here, see this is 19, what is this? 13, let us say minus 6. Now, see here, 9, 10 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1, okay. Now, see here, 12, 20 plus 8, logic is not matching, okay. Now, straight coding is not matching, then what I told you, straight coding is not matching, then go for reverse coding, like this, 19, 23, okay, let us say plus 4, 19 plus 4, 23, 9, 6, minus 3, okay, 12, 19 plus 7, no, it's not matching. So, even reverse coding is not matching. So, I told you, if straight coding is not matching, reverse coding is not matching, then I told you, see whether cross coding matches, okay. Just count the letters, how many letters are there? 3 plus 3, 6 letters are there. Now, let us try cross coding, okay. So, let us divide like this, let us try. See, 19, 20, 19 plus 1, 19 plus 1, 20, 9 plus 1, 10, okay, plus 1. Now, L, 12 plus 1. So, what they have done? First half they have taken as plus 1, am I clear? First half they have taken as plus 1, cross coding, they have gone for cross coding. Now, see here, V, W, 22, 23, 22 plus 1, see here, E, F, EF. Okay, see here, RS, so plus 1, cross coding. Now we also verify with the second one. Now see here, divide like this. Okay, now see, FG plus 1, OP plus 1, RS plus 1, MN plus 1. So please note plus 1, they have gone for cross coding. Am I clear? And what is cross coding? If you have any doubt, you just go back to the notes. Okay, go back to the slide where I have discussed that. You please go that, find out, because see, sometimes it may not be so easy to find out, right? Because once you have seen the example, again you try to recollect that. Yeah, if it is possible, if it is problematic, just go back, what all the example I have given you, you try to look at the example and try to do this example, okay? So don't worry about it. Now, what is the word they gave you there? Covalent, okay? C-O-V-A-L-E-N-T, covalent. So step number 1, what are you supposed to do? First of all, you divide that into exactly 2 halves, C-O-V-A, COVA, okay? Then what are you supposed to do? They have taken plus 1, okay? So this to be plus 1, this to be plus 1. First of all, take plus 1, then what the word that you get, you reverse it, because they have gone for cross coding, right? So plus 1, C plus 1 D, O plus 1 P, V plus 1 W, okay, U, V, W, right? A plus 1 B, now reverse it, B, U, P, D, B, U, P, D. First of all, verify with the options whether we are going right way or wrong. Just verify, B, U, P, D, see, B, what is that? Sorry, W, right? This is W, yeah, W. Okay, W. So, yeah, correct, B, W, P, D, see, FM. So, this is wrong. Okay, right. So, this is wrong. Clear? Now, take this plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. L plus 1 M, this is F, this is O, this is U. Reverse it. So, U, O, F, M. Okay, U, O, F, M. So, B, W, P, D, U, O, F, M. So, come on, verify where is that. See, this is MF is given. Okay, see here, B, W, P, D, U, O, F, M. So, this is the answer. Okay, answer is second option. So, cross coding, very important. In fact, even this question was already asked in the exam. Now, again, this is a popular model. Observe the codes and decodes of the following and then decode QP, MN, QB, right? See, what they wanted to say is that, see, they gave you decode like this, BAESPRHIGT, okay? This, you please understand, like for every letter, it has been coded like this. See, B, small letter B is coded as capital L, okay? A, small a to the capital X, small e to capital P in that way. So, in that way, please note when you take here, see, I write here, this is G, okay? So, this is G, okay? So, please note this one I, so this is I write here, okay? This is T. So, T for B, G for N, I for M. Now, you have to find out the code for this. See here, Q, P, M, N, Q, B. Very simple, right? Capital Q, okay? Capital Q, what is capital Q here? H, okay? Capital P, E, E, okay? Now, verify with the options. Hot, mattery, fights, all the 3 gone. Height, so definitely this must be correct. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So, definitely this must be correct. You know, verify. M, capital M, see, capital M, I, capital N, G, okay? Capital Q, H, capital B, what is capital B? T. So, HEI, GHT, HEI, GHT. So, answer is 4th option. Clear? Answer is 4th option.